Vocabulary Quiz 8.3. Some helpful hints before you start your quiz. You should be skipping around and do the easy ones first. Cross off the answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud, which is what you're doing if you're listening to this video. And feel free to start with the back page if you need to. So if you're struggling on the matching, flip it over and start with the fill in the blanks. Part 1 is matching, which is chunked into half. So the matching part 1, we have friction, emphasis, accumulate, phenomenon, desolate, majority. A, special importance given to something. B, someone or something that is very unusual. C, to gather together, increasing in number. D, dreary and without any people, or extremely unhappy. E, conflict, or the rubbing of one object or surface against another. F, the greater number. Matching part 2. Intervene, compromise, profound, disregard, irresistible, subside. G, too attractive and tempting to be resisted. H, an agreement in which each side gives up something. I, paying no attention, to ignore. J, to become less intense, violent, or severe. K, very great, heartfelt. L, to come between things, to interfere. On the back, we have fill in the blank. Within our word bank, we have emphasis, phenomenon, desolate, subside, profound, disregard, compromise, irresistible, friction, accumulate, majority, and intervene. Number 1. By rubbing two sticks together, the blank can cause a spark. 2. A rainbow is a natural blank. 3. The birthday cake looked blank with the creamy icing. 4. The blank of the class voted for the same movie. 5. We waited for his fever to blank before he went to sleep. 6. The hockey referee had to blank the fight. 7. He put blank on the importance of exercise. 8. I hope we blank a lot of snow for a day off school. 9. A blank was reached on which movie to watch. 10. The sad news had a blank effect on me. 11. Please blank the prior announcement. And 12. The house is blank and empty.